What if I told you that parts of our planet were mapped before they were discovered? What if ancient charts show coastlines that shouldn't exist, lands that shouldn't be visible, and continents that were supposedly buried under miles of ice? And what if these maps are accurate? Not guessed, not symbolic, but precise. Tonight, on Terra Mystica, we uncover maps that should not exist. For thousands of years, we believed we were the first civilization advanced enough to understand our planet. We invented satellites, we invented global positioning, we invented world maps. Or, so we thought. Because hidden inside ancient archives are maps that defy everything we've been taught. Maps that show Earth as it once was. If these maps are real, then someone mapped the world long before modern civilization. And that raises a terrifying question. Who? In 1513, an Ottoman admiral named Piri Reis compiled a world map. At first glance it looked ordinary, but when scientists studied it centuries later, they froze, because it showed something impossible. The southern coastline matched Antarctica. Not frozen, but ice-free. No glaciers, no ice caps, just land. Modern radar scans, taken using satellites, confirmed it. The coastlines matched. How could a 16th century map show what we only discovered in the 20th century? Piri Reis himself wrote that he copied this information from much older sources, maps that no longer exist. So if Piri Reis copied older maps, who made those? Antarctica was officially discovered in 1820. Before that, no human was supposed to know it existed. And yet, it appears on ancient maps, not as a frozen wasteland, but as a living landmass. Geologists say Antarctica has been buried under ice for at least 6,000 years. Some estimates say much longer. So how could ancient maps show it without ice? That would require aerial perspective, precise measurements, advanced geometry, global surveying knowledge, none of which should have existed, unless someone else was here before us. The Piri Reis map isn't alone. There's the Orontius Phineas map of 1531, also showing an ice-free Antarctica. The Hapgood maps, compiled by Harvard professor Charles Hapgood, revealed multiple ancient charts that align with modern satellite data. Not roughly, but accurately. Mountain ranges, rivers, coastlines, even submerged land. This isn't guesswork, this is precision. And precision means technology. So where did it come from? Piri Reis said his sources came from ancient Greek maps, Phoenician charts, possibly Egyptian records, civilizations that inherited knowledge, not invented it, passed it down. But inherited it from whom? Because mapping the entire planet requires advanced mathematics, trigonometry, spherical geometry, long-distance surveying, aerial level perspectives, and we weren't supposed to have any of that. Not yet. Many ancient cultures speak of a forgotten world, a time before a great catastrophe, a flood, an extinction, a collapse. Sumerians, Egyptians, Hindus, Mesoamericans, all tell the same story, a civilization that existed before history. Could these maps be remnants of that world? A civilization advanced enough to map the Earth, and then vanished. If this is true, then we are not the first. We are not the pioneers, we are the survivors, living among the ruins of something far older. A forgotten chapter of humanity. One erased not by time, but by catastrophe. So the question isn't, are these maps real? The question is, what else have we forgotten? Every civilization believes it stands at the peak of history, but history is not a straight line. It is a cycle, rise, collapse, silence. And if these maps are telling the truth, then we are not discovering the world. We are rediscovering it. If you want to uncover more forbidden history, lost civilizations, and Earth's hidden past, subscribe to Terra Mystica because the truth is older than we think.